Hi everyone, I am here because I was part of a swap with Polly of Polly's Pretties. She is on YouTube, but she mostly now has a Facebook group called Polly's Pretties. And she had two swaps. One was for a loaded brown paper bag, and the other one was for a St. Patrick's Day Julie Nutting pocket letter. Now, I started to sign up for the Julie Nutting pocket letter, not realizing it was Julie Nutting. I just thought it was the St. Patrick's Day pocket letter. And then Polly got a hold of me and said, if you're still interested, I'll trade with you. You can just do a regular one, because I don't have any Julie Nutting that I can use for St. Patrick's Day especially. I think I have maybe one Julie Nutting. I don't think I have a stamp. I just think I have like some fall die cuts. Halloween. I think they're Halloween die cuts. So that didn't really fit with St. Patrick's Day. Anyway, long story short, I've had this since last Saturday's when I got it in. I don't know if it came on Friday or Saturday. Last Saturday, but I didn't want to open it until mine went out the door to her, which just went out on Friday. Now she should have it Monday, so she'll have it in time for St. Patrick's Day, just as long as the postal service is operating still, which as far as I know it is. Anyway, let's see what Polly sent me. I slipped the package open, but I didn't. Ooh, well, some pencils. I have a giraffe and a, ooh, I really like the pink one with the like leopard spots. You make sure, yep, okay. And it looks like here's a card. Well, let me just, oh, that's pretty. That looks like the that almost, it's an embossing folder, but it almost looks like the Stampin' Up! The New Vellum paper. That's like the background. She's got a doily here and some strips of papers and a Dollar Tree sticker, one of a kind, because I still have some of them. And then a flower. It's like a silk flower with a cloth flower there. Let me see. I don't think she'll mind me reading this. It just says, Deb, hello, I hope all is well with you. Enclosed is the altered brown bag and the Julie Nutting St. Patrick's Day pocket letter and goodies. Thank you for being my swap partner. Oh, thank you, Polly. Friends, Polly. Yes. I have to say, and I'm probably not going to be signing up for any more swaps for a while. Not until I get myself going again strong in the crafting arena here. So let's see, I think this is the, let's do the pocket letter first, because I'm anxious to see the Julie Nutting aspect of it. And uh-oh, I'm gonna have to rip. Oh gosh. She's gonna maybe laugh when she gets hers. I don't want to say anything just now in what I wrapped it in. Okay. Got a big clover on here. Just a lighter green. I actually like this color too, so I hate to throw it out, but I probably will. Maybe not. She's getting one of these two glued onto something. So this is on the front. Oh, she's got this. This is kind of cool. It's like a, you see this green stuff here? It looks like a netting ribbon or something, and then a piece of other ribbon going through. Oh, she's got foam stickers with a, I was looking for a horseshoe, and I don't have any puffy pots of gold, so that's cool. And this paper's cool. It says March. Again, that like a netting ribbon kind of thing. I haven't seen that. Unless, oh, I didn't even think of that. Something I wrapped her package in. Hang on, let me show you. This stuff. It sort of almost looks like that taken apart. I don't think it is, but it sort of looks like that, like you could cut it in half and separate it. I have a ton of this. In fact, I was thinking of de-stashing it, and then I ended up using the green and the gold to wrap her package in around the tissue paper. So, yeah, there you go. So I'm going to tell you, Polly. And this has a leprechaun on. I don't think I had any with leprechauns on. Here's Julie Nutting doll. Really pretty. Really pretty. With the red hair too. That's cool. Oh, look at this. A little face, smiley face on a circle around the, it almost looks like the beard of the leprechaun here. A handmade leprechaun. That's creative. That's really cool. Yeah, I like that. Very creative. Thanks. And then a shiny shamrock over here. So, okay. We think alike, my dear. So, some pieces which I was thinking of taking mine apart too, but I didn't. So, anyway, you have, well, you'll see. And one of these pins, which I don't have. I may wear that on the 17th, even though I'm not going anywhere, obviously. And this says 100% Irish. These must be tattoos because it's backwards. Like, you know, how you like rub them on. That's cool. And a horseshoe and a gold coin. And the little leprechaun playing a violin. And then some, I think they're foam die cuts. And some pearls. And, oh, the goodie she used to make that leprechaun. That is cool. Well, I can try that. I like this. This is really pretty. Really like those. Thank you, thank you. And then the face part. That is so unique. Good idea. You're really good at making embellishments and stuff from scratch. I'm not so much. Not so much. That's why I did the embellishments on the 11th, because I had to force myself to make some stuff, but I didn't do so good this month. Anyway, and she made these too. I made some flags too, but I didn't hook them together with ribbon. I like that idea. And that's a really cool ribbon too. Awesome. Thank you so much, Polly. Okay. I have to remember to wear that on the 17th. And by the way, the 17th, is Tuesday, which is the night of my live. So I have to think up some things to do for St. Patrick's Day's live on the 17th. So come join me on Tuesday night at 7 p.m. and we'll see what I've come up with. Hopefully my brain will be functioning a little better then. Okay, this guy doesn't want to go in. Okay. All right, let's see what she's got for the loaded brown paper bag it's supposed to be. Looks awfully green to me. Oh my goodness. Okay, nope, it's a brown paper bag. Ooh, pretty rickrack that's sparkly, and this big gem on a flower. That's a cool idea too. Think happy, be happy. Yeah, I gotta be better about that. You know, I have a piece of, oh, that's like, no, that's a good idea too. I have pipe cleaners and I never think of doing that. I was thinking I have a little piece of trim, gold trim, about long enough to make a bow, and I started to try and use it and I just couldn't get the bow tied right, so I stopped. So let's see what we have here. We have a paperclip flag, which I can use in my either my planner or my more likely my composition book I'm using to track things on my goals with Amalia. Another one with the bow with the green. See, I gotta get my thingies out of my stuff. I don't even know where they are right now. Some buttons. Cool. They're all different sizes. Big, medium. It's like the mama, the papa, and the teenager. Ooh, look at these gems. These are huge gems. I could even, I know they have sticky on them, but I could probably actually either wire wrap or stitch around those. And this one is, I don't know if that's purple or black. I think it's black. I actually really like that one. Make a cool ring. Might be dark purple. I can't tell. And then there's some flowers and teardrops in, excuse me, in gold. Might be able to use them on my coffee theme project that I still have to do for the month. And then this is really cool too. It's a wood piece. Nope, it's chipboard. and then just the shamrock die cut. Awesome, thank you so much. And then inside here, oh, there's the back. It says Lucky, foiled, green foiled, like iridescent, but that's not the word I was looking for. Anyway, you know what I mean. And then a really shiny, like cupcake liner, or yeah, I think it was a cupcake liner. Feels waxy, and then it's got sparkles all over it, and a shamrock. Awesome, love it. And here she's given me some embellishments with butterflies and cupcakes stamped on them in Irish colors. Cool. Oh, on the back too. Awesome. Another think happy, be happy. I'm going to try, Polly. I'm going to try. I really am. I've been trying. I just have to shut the darn videos off that and news conferences and stuff. Anyway, this is corrugated. This is another one like she put on the bag topper here with two colors, yellow and green. And then this is embossed in the background, really pretty. Again, I like that corrugated one. I think that's really cool. Corrugated cardboard painted or markered or something, dark green. Really cool. And of course I love butterflies, you know. Cool. Thank you, thank you. So we have quite a few embellishments I can use. I like the shamrocks too. I can use them next year because I really don't have, other than some stickers, I don't have much for St. Patrick's Day. And then all kinds of die cuts here. Wow. Wow. Kind of feeling bad now. That one's really pretty. Look at that paper. I haven't even been checking. So even more of these. Wow. Polly, my goodness. Oh, look, here they are. The corrugated ones. Those are really awesome. Oh, they have the line stitched in them like that. That's part of the die. Awesome. Yeah, they're like, see, you can use your, recycle your cardboards, guys. Good idea. Especially now. Especially now. I would definitely start repurposing and craft on, but repurpose what you can. Really pretty. Thank you so much. Oh, rose. Could use that for any, that doesn't have to be for St. Patrick's Day. I could use that for anything. Thank you so much, Polly, for agreeing to swap with me. I'll talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.